are my heroes. My papa name is Ali Musliar. He is an ustad. Papa is my superhero. My mama name is Abida. She is a housewife. Mama is my best friend. I'm proud of my parents. They are given to me the best education, toys, clothes, food, and more. They understand me very well. I always thankful to God for giving